Assalamu alaikum and hello, dear world leaders and United Nations and UN Justice membership. We are from the respective villages from Biti Township, Arkan State, Myanmar. Today we are here to acknowledge our hardship, our torture, and how Arkan Army terrorist group are brutalizing on us, such that our parents, our fathers are abducted and killed them, and also our brothers are also killed by shooting in front of in front of us and in front of our parents, and also our sisters are forcefully abducted by the Arkan Army terrorist group. So we are facing intolerably torture, persecution from the Arkan Army terrorist group. These are also our Rohingya mothers and sisters. Their husbands are also abducted. Their husbands are also abducted by Arkan Army terrorist group. They are also killed by shooting, and their young age sons are also beheaded in front of them, and some of their young age daughters are forcefully abducted and raped them by the Arkan Army terrorist group. Some of their daughters came back and some are died. So they are also facing intolerably torture and persecution from the Arkan Army terrorist group. So they are also they are also willing to express their persecution, their torture from the committing Arkan Army terrorist group. About 150 young age boys are also forcefully abducted and killed them, blaming that they accompanied Burmese military junta force, but it's not true. And some Arkan Armies are hosting our Rohingya supporters, hugging, embracing babies and children, but it's not true. They are just lying. This
বুঝলাম মানুষ আর বাড়াবারে এদের লগিয়ে আতঙ্ক হওয়াশিল হওয়া জরা দিয়ে আর মন তো আতঙ্ক জল হওয়াশিল হয়ে হর লগিয়ে তো আর গরবার ইয়ে হরা দিয়ে লাগিয়ে তো আর দুঃখ বদার দিন হরি কেদায় এসে দিয়ে
আর বুঝি আমার মাব্বাই দিয়ে আর মাওয়াই মারি ফেলাই মন তো আর ভাই ভাই ঝগড়া দিয়ে আর সৈন্য মারি রেখেছে আর বুঝি আমার আর বেড়াবাই দরি আর নিজে আতঙ্ক হওয়াশিল হয়ে আর মন তো ঝগড়া দিয়ে আর দুজন একে এসে